Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix iPhone slow charger issue on iPhone after iOS 26 update. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on general, tap on software update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this, go back, scroll down, tap on VPN and device management and check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. After this, go back and tap on background app refresh. After this, always turn off this, go back. Scroll down, tap on screen time. After this, tap on content and privacy restriction and always turn off this. After this, restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again. Tap on battery. After this, turn on low power mode, go back and always turn on airplane mode. After this, your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, change your charging. Thanks for watching.